A non-stick pan with a 10-year guarantee? What's that all about? Stick around and I'll show you. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Today I'm unboxing my Ninja Zerostick Saute Pan. And at this point I must say it's been purchased with my own money. And the comments made in this video are my own views and opinions of this product. I don't receive any sponsorship or outside influence whatsoever. So what attracted me to this pan? Well, a 10-year guarantee, which includes the non-stick, is indeed a bold claim. You see, I can remember when non-stick pans first hit the market a good many years ago. I was in a department store with my parents and we saw this lady demonstrating non-stick pans by frying an egg with no fat. As the egg slid around the pan, my folks thought this was absolutely fantastic. Their enthusiasm was short-lived. After a while, the non-stick coating began to peel and their pan was anything but non-stick. Over the years, I must have spent a small fortune on non-stick pans, which have all lost their non-stick properties, some quicker than others. I got my 30cm saute pan from Ninja Kitchen UK. Delivery was prompt and it arrived in this rather large box, which owing to its size, I'm opening on the floor. As you can see, it's well packaged. There's a sturdy cardboard ring to protect the lid handle, together with a disc. And a sleeve for the pan handle. Everything is well covered with this protective wrapping. And there it is, the Ninja Foodie Zerostick 30cm Saute Pan. I must say it feels quite weighty and is made from forged aluminium. It has cast stainless steel handles, a hard anodized exterior, a stainless steel rimmed tempered glass lid with steam vent. The non-stick interior surface is not smooth, which seems to be the trend with non-stick cookware these days. The difference with this one, it comes with a 10-year guarantee. Ninja claims it's dishwasher safe, scratch resistant, oven safe up to 260 degrees C, suitable for all hobs, and no oil is needed for healthy cooking. There are conditions attached to the guarantee, which as I can see are, while the pan is 100% dishwasher safe, hand washing with mild washing up liquid is recommended. Never use sharp instruments such as knives, forks or appliances such as a stick blender. Never preheat the pan on high to speed up preheating. Excessive heat applied to an empty pan can damage the non-stick surface. Now here's a new one on me. Never use cooking sprays, as these burn at low temperature and will leave a residue that leads to sticking. Never allow the pan to boil dry. Never immerse a hot pan in cold water, as this may lead to irreparable warping. When stacking or nesting these pans, use a paper towel or soft cloth between them to protect the surface. I'm going to replicate that demonstration I saw all those years ago by cooking an egg in a dry pan. Now this pan is brand new. All non-stick pans when they're new are great. So I will be reviewing this very pan again in the future to see how it stands up to the test of time. Don't miss it. Sub the channel, activate and ding the bell, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Ninja say the non-stick surface on this pan is tough and you can use metal tools, but as I already have silicone tools, I'll continue using them. In fact, this one has just been replaced after more than 10 years. It's outlived 3 different non-stick pans, and I've replaced it with the same one from OXO Good Grips. Time to put my apron on. As recommended, the pan needs to heat up for about 2 minutes over a medium heat. A simple test is to sprinkle a few drops of water into the pan. If it sizzles, it's hot enough. In goes the egg. I feel the pan should have been a little bit hotter, so the egg would solidify quicker. Anyway, on goes the lid. Well, it looks as though it's almost done. I don't want it overcooked as I like my eggs runny. Hang on, I don't know about you, but it looks as though I have a sticky situation here. Yes, the egg in my zero stick pan is well and truly stuck. As you can see, it does not want to come out. I'm trying to get it out without breaking it up. This is quite difficult. It just will not budge. It looks as if it won't be possible to get this out of here without making a horrible mess. To say I'm disappointed is putting it mildly. After quite a struggle, here I have one scruffy looking egg. You didn't think I was going to chuck it in the bin, did you? And that's how the pan finished up after attempting to cook an egg with no oil. One redeeming feature, it was not too difficult to remove the residue with hot soapy water and a cloth. The CEO of this household did say I was expecting too much, cooking an egg without oil. However, it does say on the packaging, healthy cooking, no oil needed. So for the pan's second outing, I'm cooking some salmon. This is a naturally oily fish. Even so, I'm lightly oiling this side to achieve a crispy skin. Repeat with the second fillet. Put the pan over a medium heat to warm up. Perform the sizzle test. Yes, it's hot enough. So in goes the salmon. Yes, it's sizzling nicely. Put the lid on and let it cook to get that skin really crispy. Now I'm transferring to the oven at 180 degrees C for 5 minutes. Time to remove the pan from the oven. And of course the handle is very hot. So here the barbecue gloves are just as useful in the kitchen. I'll just check the internal temperature. 60 degrees C confirms it's cooked. But has it stuck? I'm happy to say it hasn't even marked the pan. So here is a beautifully cooked, nice piece of salmon. Just look at that crispy skin. I'm serving the salmon with baby potatoes, broccoli, carrots and parsley sauce. And that's 100% delish. To sum up, the pan is well made. There are a few conditions attached to the guarantee which I intend to follow, as I like the pan to last a little bit longer than previous ones. The statement on the packaging, healthy cooking, no oil needed, does not apply to everything, especially eggs. I find the word zero stick a bit misleading, and I certainly hope that I don't come unstuck with the guarantee. So, would I buy another zero stick pan? Well, the answer will be in the follow-up sequel to this video. So, let's roll the trailer.
Zero Stick, the sequel. Could there be another sticky situation? Stay glued to this channel, don't miss this release.
Well, that's all for now. So, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.